Top 5 cheap American performance cars with unkillable engines. Number 5. Mercury Marauder, 2003 to 2004. Ford's Marauder was a powerful upgrade of the Panther platform, featuring a 4.6-liter DOHC V8 engine from the Mustang Mach-1 and a robust automatic transmission. Experience the thrill of driving a big, fast, and dependable car with the high-revving 4.6 DOHC engine that provides long-lasting performance. Rare but available for under $15,000, clean examples offer a unique blend of speed and style. The Marauder's aggressive styling further sets it apart, with its monochromatic paint schemes, unique grille, and large polished wheels that exude a bold and commanding presence on the road. Inside, the car offers a mix of comfort and sportiness, featuring leather seats with custom embroidery and a cockpit-inspired instrument panel. Despite its size, the suspension tuning and heavy-duty components ensure precise handling, making it an enjoyable ride for enthusiasts who value both performance and practicality. Whether cruising on the highway or taking on a winding road, the Marauder delivers a driving experience that stands out from the crowd. Number 4. Pontiac Firebird Formula Trans Am, 1998 to 2002. Experience the raw power and performance of late 4th-gen Firebirds, equipped with the same LS1 engine as the Corvette. With 305 to 325 horsepower, these cars offer serious performance at an unbeatable price. Durable and easily accessible, they deliver a classic muscle car feel with bold styling and an addictive sound. Get behind the wheel and feel the thrill of iconic American muscle. These Firebirds are not just about straight-line speed. Their well-tuned suspension and impressive handling make them a joy to drive on winding roads. The low-profile design and aggressive lines give them a commanding presence on the road, turning heads wherever they go. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit provides a blend of comfort and functionality, with supportive seats and intuitive controls. For enthusiasts, the aftermarket support for customization and performance upgrades is immense, allowing owners to tailor their Firebird to their personal taste and driving style. Whether you're a collector or someone looking to experience raw performance, the late 4th-gen Firebird is a timeless choice. Number 3. Chrysler 300 CSR T8, 2005 to 2010. Experience the power of the 300 CSR T8 with its 6.1-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering a whopping 425 horsepower. This full-size sedan means business. It's fast, fierce, and makes a statement on the road. The reliable 6.1 Hemi engine in these cars is known for its performance and can be found in great condition for $15,000 to $20,000. Don't underestimate this sleeper luxury car with power hidden beneath its elegant exterior. Inside the 300 CSR T8, luxury meets performance with premium leather-trimmed seating, carbon fiber accents, and a meticulously designed driver-centric cockpit. The advanced infotainment system and comfortable seating make long drives enjoyable, while features such as a performance-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes ensure that this vehicle handles as impressively as it accelerates. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through back roads, the 300 CSR T8 offers a perfect blend of refinement and raw power, making every journey unforgettable. Number 2. Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, 2004 to 2011. Discover the cult favorite P71 Police Interceptor, not your typical sports car, but built tough with a 4.6-liter V8 engine that can take a beating. Originally run hard by police fleets, these cars are known for being nearly indestructible and can be easily modified for fun. Affordable, reliable, and full of attitude, they're like tanks on wheels. Fans of the P71 love its rugged simplicity and old-school charm. Unlike modern cars packed with complex electronics, the P71 focuses on raw performance and durability. Its rear-wheel drive platform and body-on-frame construction make it a dream for gearheads who enjoy tinkering under the hood. Plus, with an abundance of aftermarket parts and used models readily available, it's easy to customize and upgrade these cruisers to suit your style or performance needs. Whether you're building a sleeper car, a track beast, or just a reliable daily driver, the P71 has the potential to be whatever you make of it. Number 1. Buick Grand National, 1984 to 1987. Experience the unique power of the Grand National with its turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine. Despite not being a V8, it outperforms many of its competitors from the same era. The cult following behind this powerhouse is no surprise, known for its simplicity, tunability, and durability. While values are rising, opportunities to own this legendary car still exist. Don't miss out on a piece of automotive history that continues to capture hearts. The Grand National's striking appearance is another factor that sets it apart. With its stealthy blacked-out exterior, bold grille, and aggressive stance, it exudes an aura of dominance on the road. The minimalist yet purposeful design reflects the car's performance-driven nature, making it an icon of 1980s American automotive culture. Inside, the retro-styled interior combines functionality with comfort, featuring bucket seats and a driver-focused layout. It's a car that not only commands attention when parked, but also delivers a thrilling experience every time it roars to life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe